Promoting your Fiverr gig involves strategic steps to increase visibility and attract potential buyers. Optimize gig details. Create an eye-catching gig title, a clear and concise description, and engaging visuals. Highlight your expertise, services offered, and unique selling points. Utilize keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and text to improve search visibility within Fiverr's platform. Research popular search terms related to your services. High-quality portfolio. Showcase previous work or samples that demonstrate your skills and expertise. Visuals or examples that highlight your capabilities can significantly attract buyers. Create multiple packages. Offer various service packages to cater to different budgets and needs. Clearly outline what each package includes to add value. Promote on social media. Share your gigs across platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and relevant forums or groups. Engage with your audience and showcase your expertise through valuable content. Utilize buyer requests. Regularly check and respond to buyer requests on Fiverr. Tailor your offers to match the buyer's needs, increasing the chances of securing orders. Provide exceptional customer service. Communicate promptly and professionally with potential buyers. Offer excellent service and address inquiries or concerns promptly. Encourage reviews and ratings. Deliver exceptional work to encourage positive reviews and ratings. High ratings and reviews can attract more buyers and build credibility.